Hello ladies and gentlemen. I am BV and welcome to my trading journal. Today, as you may have seen in the title of the video, I have coded a trading robot to determine once and for all if MACD could make you money in 2020. So, at the end of this video, you will know which MACD strategy will bring you the most money. Spoiler alert, we've hit the 90% win rate mark on the Euro-New Zealand dollar chart. While you see me coding in the background, let's talk about my testing method. I've seen a lot of videos of people testing different MACD signals, some up to 100 times. But in my opinion, all traders must rely on statistics to put all of the odds on their side, and good statistics require a lot more data. The algorithm I am showing you tests each signal one by one over a 3-year period and on 28 different graphs. That way we are sure that we have encountered all possible market behavior. From phases of congestion to major trends or even the effects of COVID-19. I use the ATR to determine my stop loss and take profits. The stop loss is placed at 1.5 times the ATR, the take profit is placed at 1 time the ATR. If my take profit is hit, I take 50% of the profits and let the position run by moving my stop loss to 0. This way, the position can no longer be a losing position. If you are not familiar with this practice, I invite you to study the scaling out video from the No Nonsense Forex channel. Link in the description. I chose the daily chart because it is the one that suits my trading style. At the end of the video I will explain how to use my algorithm to test your favorite settings, time frames and charts. This will save you a lot of time in your backtesting process. Consider supporting the channel by subscribing. Turn on the notification bell so you don't miss my next algorithm. Now, I assume that you know how MACD works. Let's start with a little reminder, though. Before starting, if you are comfortable with this indicator, I invite you to move on to the next part or directly to the test results at the end of the video. The timestamps are in the description. If it is not the case, stay attentive, this reminder will help you a lot. The MACD is composed of 2 lines, the MACD line in blue and the signal line in orange, and a histogram that can be positive or negative. This set of parameters can give us many different entry signals. Here we will test 5 of them. First, the continuation signals, represented by a crossover between the MACD line and the signal line above the 0 line for long trades, and a cross under between the MACD line and the signal line below the 0 line for short trades. On the screen you can see different signals represented by arrows. Secondly, the reversal signals, represented by a cross under between the MACD line and the signal line above the 0 line for short, and by a crossover between these 2 lines below the 0 line for long, as shown on the screen. The third signal that will interest us is the combination of the histogram and the 0 line. When the histogram turns positive, green on the screen, it's a buy signal. When the histogram turns negative or red, it's a sell signal. The last 2 signals, the MACD line 0 cross and signal line 0 cross, are more or less the same. We will simply wait until the relevant line crosses the 0 line to place our buy or sell orders. Remember that the blue line represents the MACD line and the orange one the signal line. The script is ready. You can see that the signals change according to the choose your signal list of our 5 different signals. Quick note. Tell me in the comments of the video which indicator you would like me to test next week. I will choose the most requested one. Alright, now it's time to get into statistics. I usually list the win rate of each signal on all the pairs I trade. Then I average them and have a global win rate that corresponds to between 500 and 2000 signals. If it is over 60%, I am convinced that the strategy I am testing can be really profitable. Note that if you want to analyze the results in more depth, the Google Sheet is available via a link in the description. It is by doing complete backtests on indicators like this one that I was able to set up my first profitable strategy. If you want more tests on even more powerful indicators, consider supporting me by subscribing to the channel. Now, I invite you to follow the tests or to go to the conclusion for the revelation of the most profitable MACD strategy. Welcome back, traders. So to conclude our backtest, the MACD is a powerful enough indicator to start with. However, 3 signals offer much better results than the others. The reversal signals with its 59.57% win rate. The MACD 0 cross signals with a 62.54% win rate. And our winner is the signal line 0 cross signals with almost 65% win rate. 64.25% exactly. If you want to go even further with this indicator, like the video. I'll come back with a complete system if we go over 10,000 likes. It seems difficult to reach, but I'm counting on you. I just published the script on tradingview.com. You can find it by searching BV's MACD signal tester in the public script library. Good luck in your tests. Fellow traders, goodbye until next week for a new algorithm.